English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Background, clearly, disappear. Background. Background is a noun. B1 learners usually know background. At B1, background refers to a person's education, family, and experience. Here are some examples. They come from a wealthy background. At work, his background in foreign languages helped. Students from economically deprived backgrounds are welcome to attend. Clearly. Clearly is an adverb. B1 learners usually know clearly. At B1, clearly means certain. Here are some examples. He clearly speaks better French than his brother. Clearly, the event was a great success. The letter had my name on it, but it was clearly not for me. Disappear. Disappear is a verb. At B1, disappear means to not see or not find something. Here are some examples. The sun disappeared behind a cloud. Help! My bag has disappeared. He disappeared from his home last month. Now write some of your own sentences with background, clearly, and disappear. Download the free B1 workbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.